Kids drawing and learn.
Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Pink color, dark pink color, violet color, green color, dark blue color and light blue color, orange color, gold color, olive color and red color. Today we learn alphabets. Now let's start to write alphabets. A is for aunt. B is for balloon. C is for cap. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for grass. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for nose. O is for ostrich. P is for piano. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for toy. U is for unicorn. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. Guys, speak with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Guys, see you next video. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.